India's tech leap. Government unveils ambitious semiconductor plans. The Indian government recently unveiled plans to bolster the semiconductor industry, signaling a significant move in the country's technological advancement. These plans entail the establishment of 4 semiconductor plants and 13 chip assembly units. Minister of State for Electronics and IT, Rajeev Chandrasekhar, highlighted the involvement of US-based Micron, which is set to invest Rs 22,516 crore in a chip assembly plant. This investment underscores the growing interest and confidence in India's semiconductor sector. The government's announcement also included the approval of the Semicon India program, allocating Rs 76,000 crore to promote semiconductor and display manufacturing development. This initiative aims to foster a robust ecosystem for semiconductor technology, display manufacturing, and design. Through these efforts, India aims to position itself as a leading player in the global technology arena. This strategic push reflects the nation's commitment to leveraging semiconductor capabilities for economic growth and technological innovation. Stay tuned for updates on India's journey in the ever-evolving tech landscape.